Hi crafty friends. I am coming with a notebook swap, composition notebook swap. I joined a swap over at scrapbook.com for and it was affiliated with Rene Bouquet shop. So my partner is Donna. She's actually a design team member for Rene Bouquet. So anyway, she likes vintage. She said do vintage or Christmas, so I sort of combined, and I used Prima paper, the Christmas paper from a couple years ago, Frank Garcia's line. I just have some poinsettia die cut, an AliExpress die, and I edged everything with gold paint. It's Prima paint. It's called Sparks. Let's see. And this is unicorn hair. It's so pretty. Can you see that shimmer in there? There you go. And I layered quite a few different laces here. There's a gold underneath, then this long one here, then this here, then this one. I just used some leaves from the paper line. I used an alley die that I cut out in gold paper, and I popped it with some foam. Then I just have some crinkled seam binding. Then you open it. Oop. And I have a tag here. Just simple. I outlined it with gold, and I used some Nouveau drops in gold. There's another flower in a pocket. And this here, what I did is I folded the paper over and I added some gold washi, flower from Hobby Lobby, and I made like a little pocket for some clips that I made. Then I sort of distressed all the papers. Every single page I sprayed with shimmer. Excuse me, I got stickles on my fingers, on my hands. I've been making some tags, so you probably can't see the shimmer, but I went through 1.5 bottles of gold shimmer spray. And then the back I just lined with some paper. There's no pockets or anything. So there it is. Simple, but I think it turned out really pretty. Thanks for watching.